Hey guys, so welcome to this unboxing video for a PlayStation 5. It's the fifth PlayStation in the PlayStation family of PlayStations. So I did win this on Curry's PC World. It does come with 70 quid's worth of that. It comes with 12 months of PS Plus plus a £20 wallet thing. It is sellotaped on, so that's a bit annoying, so I might just leave it sellotaped on there. I will do a separate video on the Curry's PC World just in case you have won the opportunity to buy a PS5 from Curry's. It was sent via DPD. There was a hole in the packaging which I'll probably put a screenshot in. So there we go. I don't really need this, don't really want it, but you know, it's just kind of like a cool gadget to have. I wanted to play God of War on the PS4, but long story short, I had the PS4 Phat, then I had the PS4 Slim, and then I had the PS4 Pro, and basically I returned them, the Phat one and the Pro one, because they're too noisy. So I'm hoping the noise won't be a problem with this one. So let's take a look out of the box. So it's got instructions here. Number one, you got to put it. You got to lift this box here out. You got a little tray here, I think. Yeah, a little tray. So let's take a look at the DualSense. My reaction to it. Ooh. Heavier than the DualShock 4. Similar buttons, there's less travel than the DualShock 4. The buttons feel, yeah, they feel more like an Apple type device where it's like it's all slim and the buttons just feel hard to press sort of thing. Feels different than the DualShock 4. These feel the same. That's a button there. Don't know what that does. 3.5 jack microphone, sorry. These do feel slightly different, but obviously that feels the same. Yeah, I would say it's a little bit. It's quite similar to the DualShock 4. I wouldn't say it's massive different to hold. There's charge in there. As you can see, it's got a cool. They've got rid of the obviously the pointless thing there. Black electrical tape is why I used to hide that. Obviously USB-C. Got a button there. That's obviously to use your microphone. But yeah, buttons there. Yeah, I'm not sure about these. These feel quite. There's not much. There's less travel in there. So I don't know. The DualShock 4 does work with the PS5, but only for PS4 games. Loads of leaflets in there. What else have you got in here? You got the stand, HDMI. There's HDMI 2.1. It's got a cool square look to that. Power, which is probably about 1 meter, 1.5 probably, which is your charging, USB-C to USB-A. So here is the main attraction of the video. If we go back to here, you want to pull this one out. That's what she said. So let's pull it out. This is what you pay your extortionate amount of money for, the PS5. Let's hope it actually turns on after being chucked around from China to where I'm living at the moment in the UK. So it just comes in essentially a sheath, wrapped up. It's not been taped up at all. There we go. So the white is not white. It's like a muted greyish, light greyish white. Quite heavy. I'd say it's not that massive, I would say, size of like a VHS player, probably like an original Xbox One, you know, the Betacam one. It does feel like an afterthought though. This DVD Blu-ray drives on there. You've got actual physical buttons. With the PS4 Pro, obviously that was horrible. You had to kind of capacitive buttons on the edge, which didn't really work very well. USB-C, USB-A. I mean, you've already seen this anyway, probably. That's the front of it. You got the cool logo there. You got the back end, sexy back. That's probably a Kensington lock there, guys. If you're wondering, you got USB 3 with the blue, Ethernet, LAN, HDMI, power. So quite simple. Here you've got the exterior. I don't know what that button does. You can obviously put a NVMe2 card in. So yeah, that's the unboxing. I will do a video on the Currys PC World. So if you do win a code with Currys, come back and check that, because it's a little bit, they don't tell you everything you need to know with that. So anyway, thanks for watching.